All right.
Hello.
Hello, Tutor Marky. How are you doing?
All right,
May
Tutor Z,
ginagawa kasi
hello.
ako.
Ayan, isang agamising na hapon po sa inyong lahat. Isang agamising na hapon, Tutor Z. And of course, sa ating mga grade 8 learners, parents, teachers, and school heads na talaga nanonood at talaga namang sumusubaybay sa ating online tutorial session this afternoon. Every Monday, yes, Tutor Z?
Yes. So, magandang umaga. Ay, hapon na pala sa inyong lahat. So, nalito na ako sa oras kasi pagdating ko dito, medyo nag-rush na ako. May ginagawa pa nga ako, nagbigla ako. So, good day everyone. Good day grade 8 learners and also sa mga teachers natin. And good day to you, Tutor Marky, my partner in crime.
Ayan. Of course, syempre, bago tayo mag-start, again po, I am Tutor Marky from SDO Bulacan. Kasama ko po si...
Tutor Z from SDO Tarlac Province.
And of course, live na live po tayo every 1:40 ng hapon to 2:20 ng hapon. Of course, mapapanood yan live sa ating Facebook page na DepEd Itulay and of course sa ating YouTube channel na DepEd Itulay. Alright, Tutor C?
Yes.
Ayan. So, of course, bago po tayo mag-proceed, Tutor C, kasi lumabas nung nakaraan yung yung mga partner schools po natin ng second quarter. Of course, syempre yung mga hindi po nasama doon, gusto lang po namin i-recognize uli ni Tutor C ang mga schools po ng mga mahusay schools po natin sa second quarter sa ating grade 8, ang Alibadabad National High School, ang Santa Lucia National High School, Partida National High School, Ingud Ramona Integrated High School, Ramon National High School, Santa Cruz National High School, LFGD NHS sa Isabela, and of course sa Pulong Buhangin National High School. Of course, Tutor C, ito ay na-recognize na natin last time nung nagkaroon tayo ng recognition. Kumbaga, lang natin, nire-recognize lang po natin ulit. Kasi syempre may lumabas nung nakaraan kasi nung announcement. Baka sabi hindi sila na ano. Of course, ayan, Tutor C. Alright. And, ayan, Tutor C, of course, ating mga grade 8 learners, ayan. So, of course, si Tutor C na ang bahala dyan kasi ako po ang nagpe-present ngayon. So, Tutor C, in 3, 2, 1, and go!
Yes, the problem is, nawala na yung umpisa. Yun, ang unang-una natin dito sa aking listahan ay si Samantha Galman Fajardo. Good afternoon po, watching from Santa Cruz National High School. Nandito rin si Lea De Vera. Nandito rin si Chloe Viernes, Raven Manuel, Jessica Pascual, and also James Ulysses Chu. Good afternoon po, watching from Ramon National High School. Mahogany po siya, Samantha Galman. Ezekiel Loreto from Ramon National High School. Enrico Dalupan. Aaron Ace Milio Tricia, Grace D. Dizon, Kayla Makapagal Casas. Tumatakbo ba, Tutor?
Ayan, kaya tumitingin ako kasi hindi siya dumatakbo. So, kaya tumitingin ako sa orasan ko. You still have, Tutor C, 20 seconds. Go, laban
20
lang.
20 seconds, yes. Grace Lee De La Cruz. Yun, meron tayo nakikita, Daisy Santos De La Cruz. Good afternoon po, si Daisy De La Cruz. Meron din tayo si Jalen Rose de Guzman, nandiyan sa ating screen. Kira Kilit Bon, Katrina Santiago, and Samantha Galman. Chloe Viernes, Jasmine Per, Cabildo Usabal. Good morning.
Alright, so ayan, thank you very much, Tutor C. And of course, sa mga hindi namin nabanggit na pangalan, thank you very much at kayo ay na tumututok sa ating online session this afternoon. At mamaya, babanggitin namin ni Tutor C ang inyong mga pangalan. At dahil po dyan, Tutor C, konting paano lang po natin ang ating week 2 nung nakaraang February 21, 2022 ang ating stats for this Science Junior High School Quarter 3. Ayan po, sa grade 8 po, sa atin, Science 8, meron po tayong 640 views. Okay, thank you very much po sa inyong patuloy na pagtangkilik sa ating mga Science 8 session. Of course, sa ating Facebook, meron tayong 41 views kasi 'di ba, Tutor C, pwedeng sa Facebook, pwede din sa YouTube. Ayan. So, ayan, dahil dyan, okay, siyempre, patataasin pa natin yung 640 views naman, di ba, Tutor Z? So, dahil dyan, Tutor C, ayan, ang ating topic for this afternoon is substances and mixtures. So, Tutor C, dalawang part to. So, sa iyo po yung part 2 next week. Ayan. So, dahil dyan, okay, meron tayong power sharing na hinahanap ko ni Tutor C last week. Okay? O yan. So, Tutor C, countdown na po tayo habang ako ay nagme-mention dito habang ng ano.
Alright. So, sabay-sabay tayo grade 8, hindi lang para sa ating scores, kundi para meron tayo ma-reach out at matulungan dito sa topic natin to, lalong-lalo na advanced tayo. So, share dyan in 10, 9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5, 4,
4,
3,
3, 2,
2,
and
and 1. Alright. So,
alright.
maraming
So,
maraming
ayan.
salamat
So,
sa
nakikita
pag-tempo
naman din
ninyo.
namin.
Hit
Ayan.
like.
Alright. Thank you very much po ang ating power sharing. Of course, for this episode, use the hashtag substances.
Substance.
Ayan. Of course, dun sa mga sharers natin, dun sa side task natin, use the hashtag substances. Of course, para makita rin namin ni tutors
Yes.
yung mga outputs ninyo. Alright. So,
Mm.
of course, Tutor C, for our module, okay, ito po ang ating module for alternative delivery modality. Thank you very much sa ating development team ng ating module, sa writers, illustrators, layout editors, content editors, language editors,
Yes.
language evaluators, and of course, the management team. All right, thank you very much po. And to
Yes.
start with, of course, our most essential learning competency to be given by Tutor Z. Ayan.
Yes, para sa quarter 3, week number 3, Tutor Marky and everyone, differentiate substances from mixtures, give examples of substances and mixtures, and explain the structure of substances and mixture based on particle nature of matter. So mixture and substances.
All right. Thank you very much, Shooter C. And for that, we have a reminder. So number 1, so take the pretest prepared at the beginning of the module. Take time in reading and understanding the lesson, and also follow instructions carefully. For our number 3, use a clean sheet of paper for your answers in each activity or assessment. And for our fourth reminder, try to recall and connect the ideas that you had in your lower years. And
That's correct.
our next slide for the reminders, Tutor Z.
Yes, be honest, of course, when doing the activities. Record only what you have really observed. Don't hesitate to ask kasi kailangan na intindihan nyo talaga ang ating topic at lesson. Take the post-test para makita natin kung nasaan na kayo sa ating pinag-aralan. And check your answers in the activities, self-assessment, and post-test afterwards. Tutor Marky?
All right. Thank you very much, Tutor Z. And of course, before we move on to our new topic, of course, syempre, ayan, nakapamulsa pa. Okay, so siguro bibigyan tayo grade 8 ni Tutor C na nag-glimpse kung ano ba yung mga terminologies and of course sa topics na napag-usapan natin nung nakaraang session. Right, yes. Tutor C? Ayan.
So, Tutor Marky, in grade 8, kung naalala nyo, ang topic natin last week ay yung phase change. Para hindi tayo magkamali, ang phase change ay not yung solid, liquid, gas, plasma, kundi yung transition in between, Tutor Marky. For example, ay sublimation, deposition, freezing, condensation, evaporation, and so on. Okay? So, yung process, ang phase change. Tapos, dalawa lang naman dyan, Tutor Marky, yung increase at saka decrease ng kinetic energy at saka ng temperature. Kasi kapag in-increase mo ang temperature, mag-i-increase ang kinetic energy. Ganun din pabalik. Ibaba mo yung isa, bababa rin yung isa. So, ganun lang kasimple ang topic natin last week.
Alright, thank you very much, Tutor C. So ayan, may mga nagko-comment pa si Samantha Fajardo, yung mga different phase change na nabanggit nung nakaraan. So we have the melting, the freezing, condensation, evaporation, sublimation, ayan. So on and so forth. Of course, syempre nga reminder lang po natin sa ating mga grade 8 learners as well as sa mga teachers na kapag kayo po ay masasagot kung like for example po yung teacher, ano na lang po para ma-recognize po namin kayo ni Tutor C. And ayan, so yan, ang tanong ng bayan, Tutor C, are you ready? Ayan. So
Yes,
siguro sa comment section, ang mga grade 8 learners natin, pakitingnan natin kung ready sila, mag-comment lang ng ready. So para at least ayan, mabuhay ang ating comment section. Ayan. So, ayan. Yes, sabi ni Stella Maris Lapus, ni Aaron Ace Milo, ni Jessica Pascual. Ayan. Si Chloe Viernes. May nakita po ba kay Tutor C? Ready na ba sila?
Yes, si Christopher Andrew, nasan na? Christopher Andrew, nakita ko kanina. Ang bilis. Ang dami nila sumagot agad, Tutor Marky. Jasmine Batad. Good afternoon po, Maria Jasmine Batad, grade 8 Milton Science. Teacher niya sa Guitars Art. Ma'am Cha, watching and listening from San Mariano National High School, Main SDO, Isabela.
Ayan. So, Jasmine, paki-contact mo na yung mga kaklase mo. Sabi mo, manood din sila ngayon. As
Oo.
in ngayon, i-record tuloy. I-share mo na sa inyong mga GC ang ating online tutorial session. So, dahil ready na ang lahat, Tutor C, ayan. And of course, let's start now the pre-test. So, of course, the direction is choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper or just comment directly on our comment section. So since we are all ready, let's start. So I'll be reading the first question. So question number 1, what is the simplest form of matter? Ayan. So is it letter A, compound, letter B, element, letter C, mixture, or letter D, solution? Alright, so let's see. So, ayan, talaga namang may mga, ayan. So, hello kay Michelle Crisostomo Malyari from LFG Diamantina National High School, Banatuan. Ayan, East District.
Meron din ako
Ayan,
nakita na wala.
Alright. Tutor Z?
Hinahanap po kasi yung parang bagong pangalan kanina. Pasensya na po. Anyway, sa kanilang sagot, let's see. Meron tayo, Tutor Marky, na sumagot na. Si Nenita Martin Tolentino. Sabi niya, letter B daw siya. Letter A naman si Kimberly Maningas. Letter B si Lorenzo. Of course, DRG, pamilyar na pangalan yan. Stella Maris, letter B, Kayla Makapagal-Casas. Letter B, ganun din si Samantha Pajardo. Kimberly Maningas nga lang ay letter A. And Jessica Pascual, letter B.
Ayan. So, Tutor Z, mabanggit ako lang, si Ma'am Ninita po ay isang teacher po. Ayan, talaga namang from the very start ng first quarter ng ating session, talagang tutok na tutok si Ma'am Ninita. Thank you very much po, Ma'am Ninita Martin Tolentino. And I think from Ramon National High School po si Ma'am Ninita. Ayan. Ayan. So may nakita rin tayo, Tutor C, si Enrico Dalupan sa YouTube naman siya nagsasagot. All right, so the answer for this question is, all right, letter B, element. Ayan.
That is correct.
Ayan, congratulations. And of course, for our question number 2, Tutor C.
Yes, bago yan, basahin ko muna. Sarah Enriquez, hello, good afternoon, watching from Canyogan High School. Ewan ko, bago yata yung Sarah Enriquez, Tutor Marky.
Ayan. Tutok na pakishare na rin po sa GC nyo yung ayan. Padamihin natin yung Canyugan High School po ba yan?
Circle of friends natin ito.
Alright.
Alright, number 2, Tutor Markin, grade 8. What is the classification of the following? Gold, carbon, at saka hydrogen. So, saan sila pasok? Pasok ba sila sa A, compounds, B, elements, C, mixtures, or D, solutions?
Ayan. So, we are on our number 2 question. Ayan.
Enrico Dalupan, Tutor Marky, sabi niya, letter D daw siya. Alright. And sabi ni Ma'am Nenita, yes sir, I love to watch E2 Science episodes. And we love to do this as well.
Yes.
Alright, Tutor Marky, nakikita ka ba dyan?
Ayan, so Angel May Espilio, letter A. Kimberly Maningas, letter A. Stella Maris Lapus, letter A. Ezekiel Loreto, letter B naman yung kanya. Kay Daisy Santos de la Cruz, letter B. Kimberly Maningas, letter A. So let's now reveal now the answer. For our second question, the answer is, ayan, it's letter B, elements.
Very good. That's correct. Sa table of elements pa kasi sila, Tutor Marky.
Yes, opo. So, next po on our number 3 question for our pretest, which of the following is an example of a compound? So, is it letter A, air, letter B, bronze, letter C, salt, or letter D, tap water? Ayan. So, ayan o. May nakita ko Tutor Z from San Mariano National High School. Yan, mga bagong school. So, Pinagkawitan Integrated National High School. Ayan, sinusulat ko siya talaga, Tutor Z, kasi, ayan o, San Mariano from SDO Isabela. Sinusulat ko siya kasi, of course, syempre, para mas mapadami or mapalawak pa natin yung mga schools na sumusuporta sa E2LAI.
Para hindi natin sila makalimutan.
Yes po. Ayan o. Ayan. So we have here Kayla Makapagal-Casas. Her answer is letter A. Stella Maris Lapus with a question mark. A. Ayan. Okay. Kimberly Maningas, letter A. Laika Galang Pagdanga na letter A. Ayan. Tambo, Donna, Jane. Siguro apelido yung Tambo. So answer niya is letter C. Kayla Makapagal-Casas, letter A. Christopher Andrew Respicio is letter C. Ayan, Antricia Valenzuela, letter A. Ayan, so now let's reveal now the answer. Which of the following is an example of a
Ano
compound?
mga
So the
kaya
answer
dyan?
is letter C,
Salt.
salt.
Yes.
Ayan. All right. So, ayan. So, I think that will be our pretest hanggang 1 to
Very
3
good.
lang, Tutor C. So, ngayon,
Mhm.
pakicheck na natin yung scores nila. So, kung sino yung naka 3/3 or 1/3 or your 2/3. So, okay lang. So, let's see. Hintayin po
Mm.
natin ang kanilang... Hello po sa mga taga-Partida National High School. Ayan, sabi ni Ginger Alonzo. Ayan, si
Mhm.
Angel May Espilio, 2/3. Ayan, si Donna, 3/3. Enrico Dalupan, 1/3. Ayan. So, si Enrico yata Dalupan, if I'm not mistaken, from Virgen de las Flores High School. Ayan. So,
Mm.
Enrico, paki-comment na, paki-share na ang ating online tutorial session sa mga taga-Virgen.
Yes.
Ayan. Ayan, o. So, okay lang yan. Kahit hindi rin maka-perfect. Of course, syempre, pretest lang naman to. Diba, Tutor C?
Mhm. Yes, of course. Kumbaga sinusukat lang natin kung may baon tayo.
Ayan. So,
Okay, so
ayan.
let's
So,
start.
now let's start. So for
Mhm.
now, so what's new? So siguro babasahin ko na to, Tutor C.
Mhm.
So when tropical cyclone Ulysses hits central Luzon, so it poured 150 millimeters of rain within a 24-hour period, set within the heavy rainfall category. The heavy rainfalls caused huge amount of water to be released from major dams in the region, including Magat Dam in Isabela. Ayan. So siguro kaya ko to napili din, Tutor C, at suwas nyo kasi
Mm.
na mention yung Central Luzon, which is majority of our yung mga viewers natin is from the Central Luzon. Of course, yung Isabela din, yung mga taga Isabela. So ngayon, Tutor C, dito sabi, umulan daw. So definitely, yung
Aha.
ulan, okay, ay kumbaga, there is a huge amount of water. So we are referring here in our scenario yung water itself. So ano
Mhm.
ba yung merong water at bakit ba ganun kadami or ganung dumami yung particular na rainfall ng sa isang lugar na yon. So since
Okay.
definitely water or pinag-uusapan natin or hydrogen, Tutor C, we have
Mhm.
here two figures. So sa figure 1 po, it shows the atoms of hydrogen and oxygen making up a molecule of water. So ayan, grade 8 learners, dun sa left side natin, makikita natin yung hydrogen atoms. We have also the oxygen atom and also the water molecule. On the other hand, dun po sa figure number 2, we have a droplet of water. All
Oh.
right. So basically, doon sa kinuwento ko kanina, so we will be connecting that into our figures here, the hydrogen and oxygen, and of course, the droplet of water. So from this, okay, I will be asking you a question. For our question number 1, what elements make up the water molecule? Okay, based
All
on
right.
this figure, I think ito ay na-mention na rin yata nito ni Tutor C last time.
Mhm.
So, nakita ko sa ano niya, sa PowerPoint niya. So, what elements makes up the water molecule? So, from this, so according to Samantha Galman Fajardo, hydrogen and oxygen are both gases. Together,
Mhm.
as a mixture, hydrogen and oxygen can react and form a water. Water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen. These are important differences between the properties of a mixture and a compound. Ayan.
All
So,
right.
thank you very much. Meron ka pa ba, Tutor? Sinan makikita po dyan na
Yes,
answer?
sa question mo, Tutor Marky, ang sagot ni Christopher Andrew Respicio, hydrogen daw and oxygen. Ganon din si Lara Cabonitalia, Catlea Soriano, Angel May Espilio, at saka si Chloe Biernes.
Ayan, thank you very much. So now let's see. So what elements make up the water molecule? So basically, based on our figure, we have the hydrogen and the oxygen.
Oxygen.
All right. Okay, thank you very much for your participation on our first question. Second one, so how many hydrogen and oxygen atoms are present in a water molecule?
Yun.
Ayan. So of course,
Ilang hydrogen at
yes.
oxygen.
ilang hydrogen, at ilang. Yung sabi ni Aaron Ace Milo, ayun, tama, with a heart. Ayan, so hello there. So sabi naman ni, ayan, nakita ko nagsagot na si Lindsay Denise Maningas. So water
Okay.
molecule has 3 atoms, ang sabi niya. So 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Ayan,
Very good,
so
Lindsay.
okay, thank you very much, Lindsay. Ayan, si Aaron Ace Milo, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom. Okay. So,
Yes.
as well as si Chloe Viernes, same question, same answer. And Samantha Galman Fajardo. Okay. Ayan,
Stella
so
Marie Slapus. Correct
ayan
din.
po. Sabi po ni Charles Daniel Gano, ayan, sorry po, medyo late. Okay lang yan, makakahabol ka pa, Charles.
Hello,
Ayan,
Charles.
so okay lang yan. At least umattend, di ba, Tutor C?
Tsaka kilala
Ayan.
ka na namin.
Oo. Ayan, Tutor C. So the answer is, of course, they're correct. So we have 2 atoms of hydrogen and of course 1 atom of oxygen. So
Yes.
basically, may mga terminologies tayo nakita dito. We have here atoms, so we have here the water, of course, the molecule itself. So now, okay, so since we all know that a water is also an example of a matter, so just a sort of review, Tutor C. Ito,
Mhm.
kumbaga, pinaikli na lang natin to or mas
Mhm.
pinasiksik-liglig at umaapaw na slide na po nito ng buong topic natin. So we all know
Yes.
last time in our first first week or first session, we've already discussed about a matter, and we
Mhm.
all know that a matter has its mass and it occupies space. So a
Yes, correct.
matter, all right, so can be classified as either a pure substance or a mixture. So Tutor C, so kapag sinabi nating pure substance, okay, so ito ay nakita ko lang din po dun sa shinare po ninyo. So it has a type of molecule of compound. So kumbaga dito po sa topic po natin, dun muna po tayo sa pure substances, dun sa
Mhm.
taas, grade
Okay.
8. All right. So pure substances, it has a one type of molecule of compound. So it's created and separated chemically, which is
Mhm.
later on by next week mababanggit or ma-discuss po ni Tutor C kung paano ba siya ma-separate o ano ba yung mga processes na pwede natin gamitin para ma-separate yung mga pure substances. And of course, another description of a pure substance is it has a fixed ratio or therefore it cannot be changed. So when we talk about pure substance, ayan, it is divided into two, okay, the element and a compound. So when we talk about an element, it has only one type of atom. However, we
Mhm.
talk about compound, it's more than one type of atom. So kumbaga sa
Mhm.
elements, sabi nga ni Tutor si kanina, yung mga makikita natin sa table of elements. So when we talk about
Yes.
compounds, pag pinagsama yung or pinag-combine natin yung dalawang particular na elements.
Mhm.
Yun
Tama
yung
yun.
compound. Alright?
Parang yung H2O, hydrogen, at saka yung oxygen.
Alright.
Compound.
Opo, yes po. So, syempre, konting na rin natin to, Tutor C, hapyawan na rin natin, yung sa mixture. So, it has
Mhm.
2 or more different substances. Kumbaga, yung sa pure substances, dalawang ganon, yun yung sa mixture. So, it can
Mhm.
be created and separated physically. So, however, yung pinagkaiba lang niya sa pure substance, chemically, ang pagse-separate niya and also
Yes.
pag-create. However, in a mixture, it is
Physical.
physically. Alright. So, another thing is, it is an indefinite ratio or it can be changed. So, mabilis na mabilis lang. When we talk about mixture is either homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture. So, in homogeneous mixture, it has a uniform in appearance, isa lang. So, we talk about heterogeneous mixture, it can be distinguishable, it can be separated. So, para mas maganda ang ating discussion, bigyan natin ng mga example. So, we talk about the element. So, ayan, the element helium. Ayan, yun yung
Okay.
element. So, it has one
Mhm.
type of atom. However, when we
Mhm.
talk about compound, sabi nga natin kanina, kapag compound, pinagsama or pinagdikit or pinagsamang dalawang element or two or more elements, okay, ayan, we have water. Yung nabanggit ni Tutor si kanina or yung kaninang na-discuss natin na water, it is consisting of atoms of hydrogen and also atoms of oxygen. So kapag element, isa lang, one type of atom, compound, dalawang pinagsamang element. So, yun yung mas madali nating matutunan
Yes.
kung ano ba yung pinagkaiba ng element, of course, sa compound. So, another thing for the homogeneous, ayan po. So, we have here tomato sauce, ayan.
Mhm.
Ayan. So, another thing, yung isa naman, so heterogeneous, ayun, yung mga pinagsama-samang mga kinds of peanuts. So sabi nga sa
Yes.
heterogeneous kasi can be separated eh.
And
Ayan.
can be
So,
identified.
yes po, Tutor
Yung
C.
mga
Thank you very
parts.
much. Ayan. So, all in all, so
Sab-
this is, yes po, Tutor C?
yes, sabi nga ni Aaron Ace Milo, salad is an example of homogeneous and juice is an example of heterogeneous. Very good, Aaron.
Ayan, thank you very much. Ayan, ayan, ang bilis, mabilis ang ating comment section. Ayan. Ayan, thank you very much. So, all right. So, now from our session for this afternoon, we will be focusing only dun sa pure substances o yung nasa taas. Itong nasa dito sa pure substance elements and of course sa compounds. All right. So, moving on, ayan, Tutor C. So para mas madali po nating magets, ayan, yung sinabi ko kanina regarding the pure substances, 'di ba? Ang pure substances can be divided either an element or a compound. So dun muna tayo sa element. So para mas madali, all right. So we have here the table of elements. So we have also ayan, periodic table of elements. So an periodic table of elements or elements can be classified into three groups. So we have here the metals, the non-metals, and the metalloids. So basically, based on our presentation, yung color blue, Tutor C, those are the elements that are classified as
Yes, metal.
metals. Ayan.
Okay.
So kumbaga nasa left side sila ng periodic table. So however, yung mga non-metals naman, so these are the yellow ones. So we have here the helium, the neon, ayan, the oxygen, carbon, bromine, krypton, ayan. So chlorine, argon, so on and so forth. So those are the non-metals. So ngayon, Tutor C, yung third classification of elements natin naman is the metalloids. Ito yung makikita natin dun sa ladder. Ayan. Ito yung mga nasa red. Okay? We have here the boron, the silicon, germanium, ayan. So, tellurium, ayan, so on and so forth. We have the tellurium, metalloids rather, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We only have 7 metalloids. So, ayan. So, tandaan lang po natin, kung metals, sila yung mas madami. So, yung kulay blue. So, we have here the sodium, the krypton, ayan. So, sige nga, para matest natin ang ating grade 8 learners, Tutor C, siguro magbigay sila ng example muna ng mga metals. Kung baka kasi nakikita natin, Tutor C, dito mga element, mga abbreviation lang yung element name. So ngayon yung full name ng ating element. So una natin is yung metals. Ayan. Sa metals. Ayan, mag-comment lang po, i-comment sa comment section yung magbigay ng isang example ng metal na makita natin dito sa periodic table.
Yeah, periodic table.
Ayan.
Copper,
So,
sabi ni Laika,
ayan.
galang pagdanganan. Copper daw.
Ayan.
Very good, Laika.
Sa Galman, sabi niya iron or Fe.
That's correct.
Ayan, thank you. Ayan, correct.
Lara,
So, Paul
Italia, copper din. Tricia Goho Cruz, magnesium. Paul Vincent Makalalad, gold. Si Ma'am Ninita, sabi niya metal, silver, gold, aluminum, and iron.
Ayan. So, thank you po. How about non-metals? So, let's see kung familiar sila sa mga elements natin. So, how about non-metals? Ayan, nabanggit ko kanina. Ayan. Non-metals po tayo. Ayan. So, let's see. Ayan yung color yellow. Yun yung mga non-metals. So, ayan, naghahanap na sila. Ano kaya ibig sabihin ng AR? Ano kaya ibig sabihin ng O, ng N? Ayan, no? Ayun, si Aaron Ace Milo, ayan, ang sabi niya, neon. Ayan, si argon din ang nasabi niya. Okay, so, who else? Ayan, si Stella Maris Lapus, chlorine. Ayan, no? Ayun. Ayan, kinuha na ni Daisy.
Yes.
Aluminum, para din na daw. Ano yun? Nawala na. Aluminum, copper. Ay, hindi. Ano yun? Metals yun eh. Okay.
Ezekiel Loreto, nitrogen. Janric Beleca, gold. Ay, metal yung gold.
Ayan. All right. So, ayan. So, thank you very much, ayan, on your participation. So, again, Tutor C, we have here the classification of elements. We have metals, we have non-metals, and metalloids. All right.
Yes.
So, moving on. So, we have here the compound. So, according to this, so when atoms or elements combined chemically, okay, they are known as compounds. So kanina na-identify na natin yung mga different examples ng elements. Now, kapag pinagsama natin yung dalawang elements, okay, they are known as compounds. So we have here an
Compounds.
example. So we have here oxygen, the atom oxygen of atom and oxygen of hydrogen. When they're combined, they are known would be the
Water.
compound would be the water. So our
Yes.
second element, our second example, we have the atom of sodium or element sodium combined with the element taurine. Okay, we have sodium chloride, and that is the
Or,
compound.
anong common name ng sodium chloride?
Table
Anyone
salt.
sana?
Ay, ako na pa sumagot.
Yun.
Charot. So, sumagot. Charot. Okay. 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 Our third example, we have the element nitrogen. Okay, combined with hydrogen. So, it will form ammonia. Alright.
Yeah.
So, ganun lang kadali at grade 8 learners pag ma-identify natin kung ano ba yung element, kung ano ba yung compound. So ngayon,
Yes.
Tutor C, ayan, sinagot na rin nila, table salt or salt. So
Mhm.
ngayon, magbibigay naman, Tutor C, ang ating grade 8 learners ng examples ng mga compounds na alam nila.
Iyon.
Ayun.
Google na yan.
I-Google na yan. So let's see. So ano ba yung mga examples ng compounds na alam niyo? 'Di ba sabi natin pag we talk about compounds, ito yung mga pinagsamang atoms or elements. Okay. So ngayon, example naman ng compounds. Ayun, si Aaron Ace Milo, carbon dioxide ang kanyang example.
Wow. Hindi ko naisip yun
Okay. So let's wait for the others. Okay, ayan. Okay, habang nagsusulat lang ako ng mga nagkakikipag-participate. Ayan.
CO2, carbon dioxide, Stella Marislapos, baking soda, si Ma'am Nanita, NH3.
Ayan, si Stella Maris, octane. Ayan. Alright. Ayan, si Kathleen ng magnesium oxide.
Yes, sugar marking NH3 is ammonia.
Ayan. Alright. Ayun, we have here acetate. May nakita ko kanina. Okay. Alright. Sodium permanganate. Ayan, from DepEd Tambayan PH. Hello po. Welcome.
Wow.
And of course, welcome po sa DepEd Lapu-Lapu City Division. Ayan, thank you very much po. DepEd tayo SDO Pampanga and also DepEd tayo Region 7. Ayan, of course. Ayan, sodium permanganate. Ayan, thank you very much for your participation. Ayan, washing soda. Ayan, so hello there kay Sir Alfredo Reliora from Ocampo National High School. Ayan, Sir Alfredo, pa-share din po sa inyong mga students.
Yes.
Thank you very much po. Ayan, susunod ko na yung pangalan ng
Sa
school
mga
nila.
schools saka SDO, tutor marking, pwede kayo mag-ano dyan, i-shoutout namin.
Yes po, ayan. So thank you very much po in your participation. Now we can now move on to our next. Ayan. So we have here the groups of compounds. Kung kanina we have the classifications of elements, now we have the group of compounds. Namely, we have here the acid, the base, and the salt. Ayan. So acid, base, salt. So ngayon, Tutor C, siguro ito yung last part na ng ating session ngayon. So we can identify now or explain the different group of compounds, namely the acid, base, and the salt. So first is, ito isang mabilisan lang, ito simpleng description regarding the acids. They are compounds that generally contain hydrogen and releases hydrogen ions or yung H+ when they're mixed with water. So kumbaga, Tutor C, kapag malalaman nating acid siya, normally mayroon siyang H sa unahan. Kasi nga, it releases hydrogen ion. So ngayon, most acid taste sour or medyo maasim-asim. So Tutor C, ano ulit tawag dun yung sa paper na kung saan malalaman natin yung sa ano?
Ano na nga ba yung ginagamit namin doon?
Okay, nasa dulo. Okay, litmus paper. Ayun, naalala ko
Yes.
na. Okay, that is the litmus paper. Ayan, ayun. Sabi din ni Direk.
Nakakaloka.
Okay, litmus. Ayun, nasa dulo kasi ng dila ko, Direk.
Oo.
Ayun, litmus paper. Ayan. So, di ba yung kulay red at saka kulay blue? So,
Kulay
kapag
blue.
yung, tama ba yun? Kapag yung red naging color blue, it will, ano ba yun? Basis ba siya or acid? Tutor C.
Base yata yun eh.
Okay, red to blue,
Blue.
base. Okay, for blue
Oo.
to red, that is acids. All
Yes.
right. So, according to this, ayan, according to kay Lindsay, an acid is a substance that in water solution tastes sour, changes blue litmus paper to red. Ayun, tama. So, blue litmus paper to
Mm.
red, it is an acid. So, it reacts with some metals to liberate hydrogen and also reacts with other bases. So, for us to identify, dahil sabi nga dito, maasim ang acids. So, definitely, here are some of the examples na kung saan nagko-contain siya ng acids. We have the lemon, we have the tomato, ayan, the grapes. Kumbaga, sa daily living natin, ito yung mga common things na nakita natin with an acid. Okay, second one po, we have here the bases. So these are the compounds that increases the number of hydroxide or yung OH when mixed with water. So it usually bitter and are slippery in texture. So bases natin syempre, okay, madali natin yung ma-identify kapag meron siyang OH. Ayan, so it is a
Mhm.
basis. So it is bitter in taste. So here are the common examples of bases. We have the baking soda, we have the soap, ayan. So on and so forth. So ayan po yung mga different examples ng bases po natin. And also for our last classification of compounds, we have here now the salt or NaCl. So it's our third group of compound wherein it formed when equal strengths of acids and bases combine chemically. So, syempre, aside from table salt, ayan, meron tayong mga different examples. We have sodium sulfate, ayan, we have potassium permanganate, and also calcium
Calcium carbonate.
carbonate. So, alam nating compound siya kasi it is composed of 2 to 3 kinds of elements or atoms of a certain element. So like yan. So again, sodium sulfate, potassium permanganate, calcium carbonate. So I think yung calcium carbonate yung chalk na ginagamit natin pag nagtuturo tutor C.
Yes,
Ayan.
yes.
Okay po. So, all right. So let's move on
Yun.
to our first activity. Tutor C, the direction
Mhm.
po.
Yes, so grade 8, activity na tayo after ng ating discussion. Direction natin ay classify the following as elements, compound, or mixture. Pag element, letter E, letter C pag compound, or letter M pag mixture. We got number 1 is air, number 2 is baking soda, and number 3 is gold. Ano to, Tutor Marky? Minsanan na sa pagsagot?
Pwede po. Ayan.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
Opo.
minsanan daw grade 8. So isang send nyo, may number 1, number 2, and number
2 and
3.
number 3. Ayan. So, tatlong item lang yan sa ating activity number 1. Letter E kapag element, letter C pag compound, or letter M for mixture. Ayan. So, 1, 2, 3 na agad tayo. Grade 8 learners
Yes.
para isang ano na lang tayo. Ayan. Ang
Mm.
air, ang baking soda, number 3, yung gold. Ayan.
Mm. Meron tayong tigisa dito, Tutor Marky, Lorenzo at saka Tricia Goho, letter M daw ang number 1. Pero si Ma'am Nenita, of course, kumpleto ang kanyang sagot.
Ayan. Si Ma'am Ninita, oh. Ayan. So, ayan. So, Aaron Ace Milo, ayan. So, kompleto rin yung kanya. So, MCE daw, as well as Christopher Ando Respicio.
Nadine
Ayan,
Domingo
oh.
Manabat as well.
Ayan. So, ayan,
Kyla
oh. Si Kyla
Macapagal
Macapagal
Casas.
Casas.
Mhm.
Alright. So, let's see. Now, let's answer now here.
Sino ba dyan?
Classify the following. Air ay, ito po ay letter M. So, it is a mixture.
Mixture.
Ayan. They're correct. So, baking soda is
Compound.
a compound. Ayan, very good. And of course, number 3, gold is an element. Ayan. So, yehey, tama, sabi ni Aaron Ace Milo. Ayan.
Asan ka
So,
dun?
most of them, okay, got the correct answer. Ayan. Thank you very much. Ayan. So, let's move on to our second activity. So, for the direction, take a look and analyze the illustrations below. Each box represents 5 particles of elements and compounds, while each circle represents an atom of an element. So answer the questions below by selecting the letter of the correct answer from the representations of particles in each box. So syempre, lalakihan natin yan. So ayan. So we have here A, B, C, D, and E. So kada letter, Tutor C, may particular na note. So ngayon sa letter A, meron tayong H2O and NH2. Sa letter B, we have hydrogen. Letter C, we have H2O. Letter D, we have H2O and atom of hydrogen. Letter E, we have hydrogen atom and an oxygen. Alright? So ready na po ba? Hello kay Ron J. Dumlao from Alibadabad National High School. Ayan. Keep supporting from Alibadabad National High School. Paki-comment, paki-share ang ating session for this afternoon. Ayan. Ready na po ba kayo? Grade 8. So let's see for our first question. Which particle model represents only a pure element?
Alright, pure element.
Ayan. Hello po kay Reggie De La Cruz from Pinagkawitan Integrated National High School. Ayan. So, ayan. Aaron A. Smilo answered letter B. Alright. Samantha Galman Fajardo, letter B. Laika Galang Pagdangan, letter B. Ann Tricia Valenzuela, letter B. Okay, Tricia Cruz, letter B. And the others also answered letter B.
Nadine Domingo Manabat, letter B.
Alright, so the answer is letter B. Alright, thank you. So congratulations. For our second question, Tutor C.
For number 2, tutor marking grade 8, which particle model represents only a pure compound? Compound naman ito, pero puro. So maganda ang kanyang pagkakahalo. Meron ako nakikita dito, tutor marking, actually hanggang up to 5 ay nasagutan na. So, alright,
number 2 pa lang tayo. Nakita ko nga siya. Hindi na ako magpapakita ng pangalan. Number 2 pa lang tayo. Okay.
Number 2, nasaan ka?
Ayan.
Alright, may nakita ko number 2, Samantha Galman Fajardo, letter C daw siya. As well as Lindsay Denise Maningas. And Avana Polos, parang bagong pangalan yon, letter C naman sa kanya, tutor marquee.
Alright, so now let's reveal now the answer. Okay, the answer is letter C. Ayan. So it represents only a pure compound kasi pinagsamang hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, for our Okay, for our number 3 question, which particle model represents a combination of 2 elements? Ayan, combination of 2 elements.
Combination of 2 elements. Okay, bantayan ko. Meron na nga ba nakasagot sa number 3? Except of course sa mga up to 5 nasagot na. Alright, so number 2 pa lang ito, tutor mark. Yo, may nakita akong isa, Jessica Pascual, letter E daw siya. Ganon din si Lindsay Denise Maningas, letter E. And Jessica Pascual, letter E. Tutor Marky?
Ayan, so let's now reveal now the answer for our third question. The answer is letter E. Ayan, so thank you. For next, moving on to our number 4 question, which particle model represents a combination of 2 compounds? Okay, 2 compounds tayo. Alright. Alright, 2 compounds. Number 4. Ayan, let's wait for... Ayan, so ano yun? Nakita ko na Avana Polos. Her answer is letter A. Aaron A. Smilo, letter A also. Samantha Galman Fajardo, letter A. Okay, Laika Galang, letter A. Antricia Valenzuela, letter A. Now let's reveal now the answer. The answer would be letter A. Okay, thank you.
All right.
And for our last question for this activity, which ay Tutor C, kayo po pala.
Okay lang. Which particle model represents a combination of an element and a compound? Of course, yung natitira na lang yan.
Ayan.
Element and compound. So medyo naging mas complex.
Ayan, habang naririnig ko pa
Number
yung
5.
pag-scroll ko.
Jessica
Ayan ang
Pascuala, Tutor Marky, letter D daw siya. Ganon din si Lince, Denise Maningas. And then Kyla Macapagal-Casas, letter D din. As well as Aaron A. Smilo. Sino pa ba? Samantha Galman Fajardo. Christopher Andrew Respicio, letter D pa rin. And Aaron A.
alright.
Smilo.
Ayan.
Mhm.
So, let's now, what will be the answer? Our answer here is letter D. Ayan, very
Yes.
good. Grade 8 learners. Kumbaga dito, Tutor C, na-apply na nila kung ano yung description ng elements, ng compounds, pag
Mm.
pinagsama, so on and so forth. Now,
Yes.
alright, so now what I have learned. So, complete the metacognition template for acquiring knowledge. Write your answers on your answer sheets or directly comment your answer on our comment box. Ano ba, Tutor C, 1 to 9 na or part by part muna tayo?
Hindi naman kaya yung ano. Kaya ba itong ano, diretso sa isang comment?
Hanggang
Pero ano,
second.
Tutor Marky, kung kaya
Oh,
nila,
alright.
based sa time.
Oh, based sa time. Time check, time check.
Time
Ayan.
check.
So, ayan. So, okay, number 1, ang answer nila ay matter. Ayan. So, si Christine Gail Santos, matter. Rose Marie Kailao, matter ang answer. Nadine Domingo Manabat, matter. Eliza Nicole Sawal, Kayla Macapagal-Casas, matter. So, first, I know that anything which has mass and volume is a matter.
Of
Ayan, very
course.
good. Of course. Next sentence.
Mhm.
I know that its two major groups are blank and
Yun.
mixtures. So what will be our number 2 word? Ayan. Tulay
Yung
kagalang
parang ano natin.
pagdanganan. Ayan,
Yung
solution
parang
daw.
may ano natin, Tutor Marky, yung may branches kanina. So from mixture,
Ating
ano yung
concept
dalawang
map
sumunod?
kanina.
Concept
Ayan.
map.
Ayan, si Avana Palios, pure substance. Antricia Valenzuela, pure substance. Stella Maris Lapos, pure substance. Ayan, so
Atlea Soriano, pure substance.
okay, as well as Chloe Viernes. So I know that its two major groups are pure substance and a mixture. Ayan,
Mixture.
so next, I know that pure substances may be, okay, 3
Yun.
and 4 na tayo, guys. Okay, 3 and 4
Okay.
magkasama na ha. 3 and
Oo.
4. Okay, 3 and 4 kasi yung may
Dali
question,
lang yun.
may period tayo 3 and 4. Okay. Pagsamahin nyo na guys ang 3 and
Pagsamahin nyo
4.
na, may nakikita akong number 3, elements yun. And of course, yung kasama niya ay compound, sabi ni Avana Polos.
Ayun. Avana Polos. Ayan, dalawa yung answer niya. Element, compound. Ayan. So as well as Renaline, Kalma Talamayan.
Talosik.
I think si Ma'am Renaline ay isa sa ating mga naging mahusay teacher natin yung nakaraang quarter. So si Ma'am Ninita Martin Tolentino, elements and compounds din niya. So now let's reveal.
Yes.
So we have, I know that pure substances may be elements and compounds. All right. Okay, next po, number 5 and number 6. I know that blank, non-metals, and blank are types of elements like, ayun.
Madali
Types
lang
of
yan.
elements. Madali lang yan.
Yun.
Okay.
Si Daisy Santos de la Cruz, Tutor Marky, sabi niya, metals, metalloids. 5 and 6. Metals, metalloids.
Alright, so metals and metalloids. So meron din dito si Samantha Galman Fajardo, kinompleto na rin niya hanggang number 9. Ayan. So let's see. I know that metals, non-metals, and metalloids are types of elements, while compounds are classified as acids. Ayan. So, how about yung huli? 7, 8, 9?
7, 8,
Ayan.
9. 7, 8, 9.
8 and 9 lang pala. Sorry. Ayan. So, at I think may nagsagot na rin
7,
kanina
8,
nung...
and 9.
Ayan. So, ayun. Alright. So, let's have we have classified as acids, bases, and salts. Ayan. So, next. So, thank you very much. So, now let's move on to our assessment. Tutor C. All
All
right.
right, last activity na tayo, tutor marking grade 8. Direction, choose the letter of the correct answer. Of course, write your answer on a separate sheet of paper sa module nyo. Pero dito muna tayo sa ating comment section. Tutor Marky?
All right. So we have question number 1. Which of the following is not a compound? Is it letter A, acetic acid, letter B, salt, letter C, seawater, or letter D, sugar? Ayan. 3 questions lang naman to, Tutor C, kaya kayang-kaya natin dyan para mas... Ayan. So, first question ng ating assessment. So, which of the following is not a compound? Not a compound. Enrico Dalupan, letter A. Lorenzo is letter C. Okay. Althea Fernandez, letter B naman yung kanya.
Trisha
Trisha.
Goho, letter C.
Alright.
And si Enrico na nasa YouTube ngayon, letter B.
Ayan. Alright. So, now, which of the following is not a compound? The answer is letter C, seawater.
Okay.
Alright. Okay po. Next, number 2 question, Tutor C.
Which of the following is not an element? So, A, bronze ba yan? B, gold? C, platinum? Or D, silver? Sino sa kanila ang hindi element?
Ayan. Sino dito yung wala sa periodic table? O para mas madali. Alin kaya dito yung wala sa periodic table?
Ito,
Okay,
alam
kanina
ko,
yung mga
ano ito
nababanggit nyo kayo, di ba? Okay. Number 2 na tayo. Number 2.
May nakita ko, Tutor Marky, si Renalyn Talo, si Ma'am Renalyn, letter A sa kanya. Christopher
Ayan.
Andrew, letter C naman sa kanya. Ganon din si Nadine, letter C.
Ay, si Ginger Alonzo, letter A. Kay Aaron A. Smilo, letter A din. Kay Laika Galang Pagdanganan, letter A. Ayan. So now let's reveal. The answer is letter A, bronze.
Yes.
Okay. And for
the
our
last
last question for our assessment, what is the classification of the following? Acid, base, and salt. A, alloys, B, compounds, letter C, elements, or letter D, mixtures. Okay, number 3 na tayo. Ayan, Enrico Dalupan, letter A, alloys daw siya. Number 3 na tayo, guys. Number 3. Ayan, letter B, nagbago yung answer niya. Okay. Nagbago yung
number
answer
three,
ni Enrico.
3 na, no? 3.
Number 3. Last questions for our summative for our assessment. All right. So
Jessica Pascual, letter B.
Okay. So Jessica Pascual, letter B. Stella Marislapos, letter B. Lindsay Maningas, letter B. All right. Katlea Soriano, letter B. So the answer for this is, of course, letter B.
Letter B.
Acid,
Yung
bases,
salt,
and salt. It is
yung
a
salt
compound.
kasi obvious naman, Tutor Marky, yung salt ay compound kasi yun.
Yes po. Yeah. All right. So paki-comment naman, guys, yung ang inyong mga scores sa ating assessment. 3 lang yan, ha? 3 lang. All right. So let's see. Of course, for our site, all right, site task for the week, ang atin ay upload 4 pictures showing a sample of substance. Okay, identify whether it is an element or a compound and explain its properties. So use the hashtag substances, hashtag Itulay Science 8, and hashtag Itulay Level Up. Ayan.
Right.
Paki-print screen na po para at least di ninyo makakalimutan. Ayan. Ayan. Alright. So 3/3. Jessica Pascual 3/3. Chloe Vernes 2/3. Nadine Domingo Manabat 3/3. Ayan.
Hazel Dennis Velayo 3/3.
Ayan. So paki-print screen na po ang ating site task of the week for our week 3. And of course, ayan. So thank you very much. Ayan. So of course, ang ating ito na ating mga mahusay cutie of the week ng ating week number 2. Congratulations to Beverly Joyce L. Lungayan from 8 Nara Ramon National High School, SDO Isabela from Cagayan Valley. Ang teacher niya is si Ma'am Nenita Martin Tolentino. Ayan.
Congratulations, Beverly Joyce.
Alright, of course,
meron pa ba,
dalawa ngayon. Meron pa, Tutor C.
Si Lorenzo D.R. Garcia. Section 8 daw siya mula sa Pulong Buhangin National High School, SDO Bulacan, Central Luzon. At saka yung science teacher niya ay si Sir Mark Lester Antonio. Congratulations, Lorenzo.
Ayan, congratulations. Next po ang ating faster thinker,
Yun,
Jury of the
Kimberly.
Week, yung mga mabibilis last week na mag-comment. Hello, congratulations kay Kimberly Maningas, also from 8 Nara. Ayan, Partida National High School, SDO Bulacan from Central Luzon. Ang teacher niya ay si Ma'am Mary Ann Jimenez. Ayan,
Yes,
congratulations. Meron pang isa, Tutor
Talagang
C.
active si Kimberly, no? Yes, si Francine Panalangin, familiar na familiar, very very active. Section 8-3, Santa Lucia National High School mula sa SDO Bulacan, Central Luzon. At ang kanyang science teacher, si Madam Grace Parungao. Congratulations, Francine.
Ayan, congratulations. Of course, ang ating Scitastic Jury of the Week, yung ating congratulations kay Antricia Valenzuela from 8 Nara, Partida National High School, SDO Bulacan, Central Luzon, na kanyang teacher ay si Ma'am Mary Ann Jimenez. Ayan yung pinagawa natin nung nakaraang linggo, Tutor C. And of course, I think tigdadalawa yata to, Tutor C.
Yes, and next one. Yun, si David Fernandez, Tutor Marky. David Fernandez, congratulations. Section 8 Nara, Partida National High School mula ulit sa SDO Bulacan, Central Luzon. At ang kanyang science teacher ay si Madam Mary Ann Jimenez. Congratulations.
Ayan, congratulations. And of course, ang ating mahusay teacher of the week, ng ating week 2. Ayan, talaga naman. Ayan, piniprint screen kasi natin, tutors, yung mga comment nila, yung mga nakikipag-participate. Congratulations po kay Ma'am Nenita Martin Tolentino from Ramon National High School, SDO Isabela. Ayan, congratulations Ma'am Nenita. Ayan.
Yes.
Ito, alright. So for our tutor C, nababasa niyo po ba?
Schools of the Week naman tayo ngayon. Okay, para sa ating mga mahusay Schools of the Week, number 2, Partida National High School, of course, Santa Lucia National High School, Ramon National High School, at saka Ingood ba ito? Ingood Ramona Integrated School. Yes, congratulations. Meron pa ba, Tutor Marky?
Yung sa schools po, yung madami pong nakikipag-participate na school, kaya na-awardan po sila na mahusay Schools of the Week. Kaya po, kapag may mga, halimbawa nag-comment po kayo, paki-ano na rin po sa mga inyong mga kaklase, kaibigan na doon sa school na yun nag-aaral. Okay? So, alright. So, Tutor C?
Yun. So, thank you so much, guys. So, isa na naman, Tutor Marky, na amazing sabi mo nga na, Science 8 session. So, for comments and suggestions po, email us at edtech@deped.gov.ph. And of course, Tutor Marky, kung gusto nyo ng rekta, alam nyo na kung saan kami hanapin ni Tutor Marky sa Facebook. Marami dyan, Tutor Marky. Sa mga bago, marami dyan friends na namin sa Facebook. Sabi ko nga, circle of friends ito eh. Hindi lang tayo tutorial.
Tsaka wag po sana magdamdam yung ibang hindi ko na-accept kasi puno na po yung Facebook ko. Ayan, puno na po siya. Okay, kaya kung baga follow na lang. Nakikita ko din naman po yung mga ina-upload. Ayan, thank you very much po. Ayan, so I am next po ang ating grade 9 session po kay Tutor Van Dong po. Alright, so I am Tutor Marky from SDO Bulacan. Laging tandaan sa agham, ikaw ang bida.
Yes, and I'm Tutor Z from SDO Tarlac Province. Learn now because your future begins today.